It's the fastest, most fuel-efficient Toyota RAV4 to date. On this edition of Test Drive, the Prime. Many consumers are not yet ready to make the leap into the all-electric market. Yes, there are some blinders like the Porsche Taycan, but without the performance side, electric cars typically don't grab headlines. The good news is there's a happy middle ground, and it's found in the form of the RAV4 Prime. The green plug-in side brings electric-only driving, and it has the kick that makes it so much fun to drive. Now, the cabin of this RAV4 Prime has been well thought through. You've got lots of room, it's comfortable, nice materials and good sightlines, and at long last the infotainment system actually works with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. The nit has to do with the passenger seat. It sits way too high and it's not adjustable. As a result, a tall rider is either going to sit scrunched, or if they sit upright, making friends with a headliner. The Prime is motivated by a 2.5-litre four-cylinder that makes 176 horsepower and 168 pound-feet of torque. It works with two electric motors. The front motor makes 179 horsepower and 199 pound-feet of torque from Rav4. The combination works with an electronically controlled CVT. The second rear electric motor adds another 53 horsepower and 89 pound-feet of torque and gives the Prime an on-demand all-wheel drive capability. The end result is a net system output of 302 horsepower. Now, sadly, Toyota does not give a combined torque number, but with the electrics working, the Prime is, well, primed to rock. Not only is this thing very quick, it'll get you to 100k in 6 seconds. More impressive is the fact that I drove this thing for just over 50 kilometers without using a single drop of gas. Yes, when you deplete the battery, the fuel consumption does go up, but for most commuters, you'll get to work one-way gas-free. The electric side gets its juice from an 18.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. Key here is any potential owner should invest in a proper 220-volt level 2 charger. You see, charging with 110 volts takes a good 12 hours. The level 2 charger chops that time to just 4.5 hours. Starting with a fully charged battery not only maximizes the green side by delivering up to 68 kilometers of electric-only driving, it also helps performance. Motivating a 1950 kilogram rig demands power. It's fast and it's frugal, but it's also family friendly. The back seat's got a ton of space, and in behind, 949 litres of cargo space. If you fold the seats down, that number grows to 1790. The low placement of the battery and assorted suspension setup gives the RAV4 Prime surprisingly good road manners. On the highway, it makes light work of road imperfections, delivering a smooth and comfortable drive. Find a set of pylons and it hunkers down and whips through with little body roll and only a hint of understeer. Likewise, the feel and feedback from the steering is crisp. I just wish the same were true of the brake pedal. It tends to feel mushy because of the regen braking needed to keep the battery alive. What's not to like about a ride that's got a compelling drive and space for the family? Throw in the incredible fuel economy, and well, you have one seriously compelling choice.
So here's the question, where were you 32 years ago? I know some of you weren't even a glint in your father's eye. As for me, well, I was in diapers, but found time to get Motoring TV off the ground. And today I like to think we've got one of the best automotive video libraries in the world. If you agree, please give us the thumbs up and also subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.